This is another series for the Go Google Certified Educator Level 1. Hi. Today, the sharing is on Google Slides. Okay, there are several tasks for Google Slides, such as number 1, create, 2, add text, 3, embed a video, then you can add comments and also share. Okay, first one, let's look at create. To create, to open a Google slide, you can either go to the waffle button, which is the 9 dots, and then either you go to Drive or you just go to Slides here. So when I access from my Google Drive, so you have to go to New, click New here, and then it will pop up all this. Okay, the menu such as for folder, create new folder, file upload, folder upload, and then you have Google Docs, Google Sheets, and the last one you can see here, Google Slides. So you can click Google Slide here, and then you can see blank presentation or from a template. So just click blank presentation. Then you can see that this is a new blank slide. So you can see the untitled presentation. So you can click here, and then you can change to English Unit 2, for example. So this is the title for your slide. So next, we're going to learn how to add text. Okay, to add text, you have to go to Insert and then go to Text Box. Okay, after that, this blue box will appear. Then you can start typing. So if you see on the top here, you have the font Arial. The size is 14, so you can control the font, types of font, and the size of the font on the top here. Okay, just type in, for example, read this passage and so on. Okay, number 3, we are going to learn how to embed video. Okay, to embed video, it is the same, where you go to insert here from the top menu, then you go to video. Okay, when you click video, another window will pop up, say insert video. So there are either you can insert a URL or you can insert from your Google Drive where you keep your video. So just type your search in the box above to find the videos. Okay, for example, you can also add the URL of the video of your choice, or you can find from my drive. So if you have saved in your Google Drive, so you can access the video from there. Okay, for example, I type here, I'm going to go for search. So YouTube here, you type clothes, and then you click the button for search. You can see a lot of videos, recommended videos. So just scroll down, and then if you have selected this, click on it, so it will become blue. There's a blue frame around it, and just click select. Okay, after that you can see the video is already embedded on the Google slide. So just move the video by dragging it. Okay, you can put it in the center and also enlarge the video. And then we are going to move to the 4th task, which is comments. To add comments, you have to go to either there is a plus sign here on the top, so you can add comment, or you can also press the keys Control Alternate M. Okay, so it will pop up here, comment or add others with add, the symbol add. Okay, there is another way to add comment, where you go to insert and then you scroll down, there is comment here, or Control Alternate N. You can click here also, and once you have done that, you can type such as read more about the types of clothes, and then you can click comment button. Okay, if you are done, you can see there is a tick symbol here, and then if you click more options, the Oreo button, the 3 dots, You can have edit where you can still edit your comment, or you can delete your comment, or you can copy the link to your comment. Okay, for example, you want to add the email of your student, you can put the sign add here, and then you can add the email for your student. Or you can also add with the plus sign for the email. Okay, number 5, we are going to go to how to share your Google slide. Okay, to share your Google slide, you have to go to the top right. Okay, then you can see share button in orange or yellow color. So click there. So this window will pop up, share with people or group. So just put in the email of your student, or you can email to your friends or collaborators, and then don't forget to click done. Okay, to copy the link, you can also change here. You can copy the link, and then you can decide whether the person that who's going to get the link, you're going to share with anyone or a certain group, or it is restricted to the one with the link only. And then don't forget, remember, you can change whether is the person can view or comment or edit. Then click the button done. Okay, that's all. That's the end of the sharing on how to create Google Slides. Okay, good luck to those who are taking the Google Certified Educator Level 1 test. Okay, bye-bye.